All right. Good evening. Here is our first group break of the day, actually. Coming a little later, we got some Exquisite golf here. I did a personal case of this last night. Pulled a Tiger, Michelle Wee, so let's see if we can, if lightning can strike twice, if we can recreate some magic here. Let's move over here. So this is a random hit one, correct?
That's correct.
So
bro.
everyone gets to go home with something. So there.
Random card.
Well, you know, yeah. We random. So there's a list of names you see here. Alex will be writing in what card is which, and then we'll random the cards off, and we'll random your names. So we're gonna rip first, and then we'll get to the random. So good luck to everybody who bought in to the break. Hopefully I get all names I can pronounce because there was a couple doozies in the last case. Some doozies in the last case I had to do. Alright. Here we go. Box numero uno. I enjoy the golf boxes a lot more too because they don't pack them as tight in here as they do the cup boxes.
Yeah, that's what you think.
Actually, well, the case I had yesterday was fine. Now this one's gonna be a pain in the butt.
Oh, now you know my struggle.
It's because you can't. Yeah, they didn't design these very well. Okay, we're gonna have to do it that way then.
See?
Well,
No
they didn't.
shame
Yeah,
in
they
it.
didn't.
There's no shame in it.
The one yesterday was a lot easier than that one.
All the greats have done it.
Closer to me.
All the greats have done it.
All the greats. At least, what's that?
Sean hasn't. I do it.
Alright, box number one. There's NJ on top. That could be nice, starting it off there. Alright, so you got a Michael Jordan, 106 of 125.
That's awesome.
And then a rookie auto swatch of D.H. Lee, 11 of 25. Put that over there in case you need it. Oh, and it looks like the top card brought us a good omen. It's a 14 Exquisite Golf Signature Masterpiece. Those are the ones that are framed and in the gold. It's Michael Jordan.
Whoa.
That's a redemption there.
Let me see.
Redemp. There you go. It's probably going to look something like this. Here's a signature masterpiece of Christy Kerr.
So that redemption's still good.
Okay, just so you know, the redemption is still good on that one. On the Jordan. And like I said, the Jordan will probably look something like this here. Alright, so next up, we have ourselves a 44 of 65 Natalie Gulbis Black Auto. Very nice looking card. The silver makes it pop there. Pop, pop. And then the last one in the box here is a Dimensions Auto of Retief Goosen. So a little shadow box action for Retief there. Alright, next box. We'll see if we can get this one out a lot easier. We'll cut this side just in case. Just in case it could open that way.
That's awesome. We haven't pulled a Jordan.
We haven't?
Golf card in this
Wow, wow, wow.
A live one.
Look who steps up.
All right, you got
Oh,
the
a
redemption
live
kit.
one.
You got
All
a
right.
redemption kit. Good job. Good job.
Are all of them redemptions in here though? Would I even have a chance
I
at?
think there are some live. I don't know actually. I just hope there's some live ones.
I would hope.
But no, the redemption's still good. They extended it until this July.
Okay. So, if you didn't hear Alex, the redemption for the Jordan is extended to next month. So July of 2017, you have until to redeem the Jordan auto. All right. Now we have a John Merrick, 14 of 125. And then a Danny Lee, 138 of 175, rookie auto swatch. And ooh, we have a little booklet. How about a 3 of 15 Exquisite Legacy Gear? Ooh, of Nick Faldo. You got a shirt, a laundry tag, a piece of the glove, and a piece of his cap. So nice quad auto booklet there. Somebody gets to go home with that nice piece for their collection. And then we continue with a Henrik Stenson, 32 of 75 endorsements autograph. Beautiful on card. Then we follow up with a Patrick Cantlay, 123 of 135 lustrous signatures. Little shadow box. There is the jersey behind it, and it's a rookie. And then we end this box off with a Ken Duke signature masterpiece. I love these cards. I love the gold border, and the gold auto is a very nice touch. All right.
The Duke.
The Duke. So this is always a fairly simple break. So we got our last box up here. Cut that corner just in case. Just in case I get into trouble. There we go. I think that's what we gotta start doing with the cups too. Cutting the corner of the box there. First up is a Thomas Bjorn, 24 of 125. Then we have a rookie auto swatch, 81 of 175 of D.H. Lee. So this one is 81 of 175. And there is another Michelle Wee. This one, 59 of 75, endorsements auto. 59 of 75 of Miss Wee. Wee. And then we have a signature masterpiece of Peter Hansen. Then we have a Charles Howell III Dimensions Shadowbox Auto. And last hit here, we have a Lewis. Of course, the last card of the break is going to be the hardest one.
Louis Oosthuizen.
Oosthuizen?
Yeah.
33 of 35. Louis Oosthuizen. Black Auto. So there is the last hit. Turn that over to Alex.
set, Shane.
All right. And thanks to Alex for
Tyson.
helping me out here. Oosthuizen.
Is that the one that got you?
That is the one that got me. That was the only one that got me. Everybody else was good. Oh, no. Last night? No.
Oh.
No.
Did JD get you? You always get
That might have been it. Or Ari. No, her first name's Aria.
Oh, I remember her. Okay.
You know who I'm talking
I know
about?
who you're talking about. I don't remember her name.
All right. So first, we're going to random your names. Let's find out how many times we are going to do so. And that is 6, 7, 8. 8 times. 8 times for your names. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, last one here. And 8 times. There's the names.
Yeah, it's me.
Oh, okay. All right, and now we're going to take the hits. Dice roll that up. That is 6 and 5 makes 11. If I did my math correctly.
You did.
Oh,
I can
wow.
confirm that.
All right, so 11 times we spin the hits around. Here we go. Good luck. 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, and then the last one here, 11. All right, so Dallas L, you have the Danny Lee patch auto. Stuart G, you have Michelle Wee auto. Stuart G, you also have the Nick Faldo book auto. So nice break for you, Stuart. Joseph D, you have the Ken Duke masterpiece auto. Vin P, you have the Oosthuizen black auto. JM, you have the Patrick Cantlay auto. Stephen S, you have the John Merrick 14 out of 125 base. Vin P, you also have the D.H. Lee 81 out of 175 patch auto. Jonar S, you have the Thomas Bjorn 24 of 125 base. Stuart G, congratulations. You have the Michael Jordan redemption 106 out of 1. Oh, no, I'm sorry. That's the base. Michael Jordan 106 out of 125 base. I see what Alex did there. Jim K, you have the Charles Howell Dimensions auto. Cliff G, you have the Natalie Galbus Black auto 44 of 65. Rocco C, you have the Retief Goosen Dimensions auto. People C, you have the Michael Jordan Redemption. That one is the autographed one. It's the signature masterpiece. Mark G, you have the Peter Hansen masterpiece auto. Vin P, you have the D.H. Lee 11 of 25 patch auto. So you managed to get both D.H. Lees. Nice going there. Todd W, you have the Henrik Stenson auto 32 of 75. And Justin H, you have the Christy Kerr masterpiece auto. So there it is. There is the break, ladies and gentlemen. We have a couple more, I believe, that are sold out coming up for you soon. In the meantime, feel free to buy some personals. We'll be here till 10 o'clock. Thanks for tuning in.